wonder what you can do with that grilled chicken that's left over, we have a show for you. So that is the grilled chicken that you ate, that you just devoured and loved. And this is the carcass that was left over. What are we gonna do with it? So also, what I wanted to mention is that the way we make our videos is a little bit different. It's not like perfect like the other recipe videos, so just bear with us. It's kind of normal, but it tastes good. I mean, you gotta try the recipes and let us know how it tastes like. So here you go. So here's the leftover grilled chicken. So here you just want to pull the chicken into strips. In Filipino we call it himay. There you can see it some more. You can inspect your chicken, see which parts are still good. You might want to avoid the skin if you don't like skin, and just try to put the meat part in a separate bowl. And of course, wash your hands before you do this. I used a spoonful or two of mayonnaise. Add salt and pepper to taste according to how you like it. Mix it well. I like using this complete seasoning. It makes it very tasteful. It gives it a special taste. I also like adding a spoonful or two of apple cider vinegar. It makes the chicken a little bit more juicy. Then here we just mix it thoroughly so that it just blends in with everything. I originally used this container because I thought I was gonna keep the chicken salad until tomorrow, but you'll see later that both my husband and I just chomped it up. So here I'm still like putting in more chicken into the little concoction that we made. Just mixing in the chicken with the mayonnaise, making sure that the chicken gets covered with everything so it tastes good. Here you see. And we ran out of our relish, so if you run out of relish, all you have to do is open up a can of whatever pickles. We have bread and butter pickles, so what I did, I just carefully used a clean fork and got out some pickles, just regular pickles, and then we cut them up into relish type of sizes and mixed them in. I found some cran raisins and I put that in. Craisins, I think they're called. You can also put raisins in or fruit, whatever. I sliced up the craisins a little bit so that it's like a little bit more flavorful, and I mixed that in with my homemade relish. There you go. Voila! We wanted to put it on some bread, and normally we get the Fit and Active bread, 35 calories from Aldi. Toast it in a toaster because we keep them frozen, and that way they don't mold, because we don't eat that much bread on a daily basis. So just do that, toast it a little bit, and it'll be good to go. Alright, the bread is done. So Chris wanted a half sandwich just folded, so that's what I did. Just put the chicken salad on one side, folded it up, and gave it to him. Right, so now that we have everything ready, we have the chicken salad on the bread. The bread is toasted, everything's ready. Let's have Chris taste it and give us a verdict. And then I'm gonna tell you how I like it as well. So here goes nothing.
I got sandwich.
Aw, that's cute. That was when he was still little.
Chicken salad sandwich.
Thank you.
Like you wanted half of it, right?
It's delicious.
You're not just saying that.
No.
Well, there you got it.
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it, baby.
Mm-hmm.
So you like that, huh? Alright, so I got this. Let me see.
That was good. Real good. Better than I thought it was gonna be.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I feel bad eating this on my own. Hey, I wish you can have some. Here, have some. Right, so that's it, folks. That's what you can do with your grilled chicken. I can also next time show you another thing that you can do with the grilled chicken. Also, you can also do that with your, in the Philippines we have the lechon manok. You can do that as well. So let us know how yours turned out by giving us, like any part of this video, just hit the like button, subscribe. The bell is the one that will help you, get new updates, and the Chris&Teena Johnson project. We show anything decent. All right, thank you for watching. So thank you
for watching
to Chris
and Tina.
Johnson project.
Make sure you subscribe.
Beep.
Welcome to the Chris
and Tina
Johnson
project.